A Pakistani expert says the U.S. is using the Chinese airship incident to divert attention from its domestic problems. The non-threatening airship entering U.S. airspace due to force majeure was shot down by the U.S. military.
I think if we have to understand this episode of the balloon, we should not try to understand it in the isolation. We need to look around the things. They want to create conflict with China. So now they are presenting this balloon as a starting point to start a conflict. So they will also again try to create some problems in these adjacent areas, because they will come up with the new allegation, look, our bases are being spied by the Chinese, they are sending these things. So they are trying to encircle China. Economy of US is not performing well. Inflation is going up, so they have to increase the interest rate to divert the attention from these all issues. They are trying to create some incident or use some incident to just to tell the people, look, we are very much busy, it's a matter of sovereignty, so we have to deal that, blah, blah, blah. So people forget about their own problems. So this is a trick.